friends. It is currently 10:56 on Tuesday, July 28th. I'm uploading this video tomorrow and I have work at 11:30, so I have to leave in like 15 minutes. That's why I don't have makeup on. I just brushed my hair. You guys get in a real video. What is up, you guys? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, just came across my content, my name is Ashley. I'm going to be a senior in college in the fall at the University of Rhode Island studying fashion merchandising, and I think beyond my 4 years at college, I have really learned what you actually need to bring to college and what you don't need to bring to college. If you guys are going into your freshman year of college, make sure you comment down below where you are attending. It's such an exciting time, and I know my freshman year I overpacked like crazy and brought so many things that I honestly did not need or never used, and I want to help you guys make sure you do not do that. A few exciting announcements before I get into today's video. I actually have a back to school supplies giveaway still going on. I will have the iCard right here in the link down below. It's open until August 23rd, 2020. Make sure you guys go enter. It's free to enter. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, and I am uploading every other day during the month of August, so you guys will be getting new content 4 times a week. Make sure you subscribe and turn on my post notifications because you don't want to miss out. I promise. I have so many exciting videos planned. But yeah, without further ado, let's just get on into today's video. So yes, I'm going to be a senior in college. I'm not living in the dorms. I'm living off campus in a house. But this is basically college essentials you need wherever you're going to be living. I have a list on my phone of everything you need, and I'm just going to start one by one. This isn't in any particular order. This is just an order that I thought of. The first essential you need is everything for a shower. So if you are living in a dorm, you're going to have communal showers. I highly recommend you need shower shoes. Like, please bring shower shoes. Flip-flops, you can literally get them Target, Walmart, Old Navy, wherever. Please bring shower shoes. Also a shower caddy, so you're not lugging all these different bottles in your hands. A shower caddy is really easy if you just want to carry it to the bathroom, put it on the floor, use all your things, and then you can even leave, like sometimes you can leave it in the bathroom. I don't recommend that, but you can just leave it like right by your bed. Also a robe or a towel that velcros, so you don't put on a show in the hallway, God forbid. Actually, towels, washcloths, also a bathrobe. Next thing is a Brita. I always use a reusable water bottle, so that's also on my list. Definitely bring a reusable water bottle. But Brita's, I love ice cold water, and I'm always trying to refill my water bottles at a water fountain, but a Brita is so much easier just to have in your dorm room if you're thirsty. I definitely recommend, if you are in the dorms, bring a Keurig. You're going to have early classes, and you're going to want a nice cup of coffee, and maybe you're running late and you don't have time to go all the way to like the student union to get a cup of coffee because the lines are too long. So definitely recommend bringing a Keurig. If you don't like hot coffee at Target, I know I'm going to order it online. They have a cold brew maker. That's, I think it's $12, and you just need coffee beans. You can even get an espresso if you're fancy like that. Any kind of like coffee maker. For your bed, I 100% recommend bringing a mattress pad because those beds are so uncomfortable. So a mattress topper and a bed bug sheet. What a bed bug sheet is you put it on your mattress right before you put the mattress pad and the mattress topper on, and it's before you put the sheets on. And the bed bug sheet basically just, I'll have one linked down below. I think I got mine at Bed Bath & Beyond, but just make sure no bed bugs come in your room and it stays off of your bed if bugs do come in your room. The next thing I recommend is bring a fan. Like, bring a fan. I got this tower fan my freshman year at Costco. I think it was $25. It was the best fan I ever invested in. Most dorms do not have air conditioning and don't have heat either. So you're trying to work with what you have. Yes, you got blankets, but if your room gets super hot like mine did, please bring a fan. The next thing I recommend is bringing different organization bins for food, clothes, and different things. But the 3-drawer bins I got from Target, that's where like I kept all my food, and then I had different like straw bins like you can see back here that I got from like Bed Bath & Beyond. You can get so many different stores. I'm gonna do a bunch of like come back to school shopping with me for my house and show you guys what they have. The next thing I recommend is bring a laundry bin and a laundry bag. Shoe organizers, so you don't want to have all of your shoes just laying on the floor. They're at Target, they literally sell like 10 slot shoe organizers. They're so small, but they fit all your pairs of shoes. Definitely recommend that so you're not like trying to find a pair of shoe in the morning. As I mentioned, definitely bring a reusable water bottle, and also if you're going to have a coffee maker, bring 1 or 2 mugs for the morning. Definitely recommend bringing AirPods or any pair of headphones. You're going to want to use it walking to class, in between classes, when you're studying. I also recommend bringing command hooks and command strips. I used command strips like crazy my freshman and sophomore year to hang up tapestries, posters, different lights and things like that, and just like hanging up hooks. Like I put so much things on my command hooks. Also, a rug is super, it makes it feel like home when you have a rug. So they literally sell rugs at Target. So definitely recommend going to Target. The next thing I recommend is a mini fridge and a microwave. At University of Rhode Island, it was $200 and you were able to rent a microwave and a mini fridge for the entire year, which I thought was a pretty good deal because I didn't have to lug and buy my own. It was just right in the room when I moved in. And you can keep water bottles, if you went to the food store with your friends, like yogurts, coffee creamer, your Brita. Obviously a microwave if you're gonna make like microwave mac and cheese, oatmeal. The next thing I recommend, because we are going into college during Corona season, literally bring cleaning supplies, Lysol wipes, masks, every single cleaning supplies that Target sells, bring. The next thing is some room decor. I'm going to be doing a haul of like all the room decor I'm getting for my college house, but room decor is always a must. Also a desk lamp. I got my desk lamp from Costco and it's actually like touch censored. A trash can for your trash. I had like a big trash can, and then I had a mini trash can by my desk. Hangers to hang up your clothes. I recommend bringing a pair of shoes for each weather. So obviously rain boots, snow boots. Well, this depends where you're going to school. So I go to school in New England, so rain boots, snow boots, sneakers, slip-ons, slides. Bring an overnight bag just in case. Like you never know where you're gonna end up. The last thing on my college must is a medicine first aid kit. You never know when you're gonna get sick. My freshman year I got sick so many times and I just wanted my mom, but she would tell me, hey, like this medicine is in your first aid kit, just take this, you'll feel great. So definitely recommend sitting down with your parents, figuring out what medicine you should bring, and get like a little bin. Keep it in your closet, and like when you get sick you'll feel so much better. Now are some things that you don't need to bring to college. My freshman year I brought a toolbox and I never ever used it, so don't recommend bringing a toolbox. You also don't need to bring a printer. At my college we brought a printer freshman year. We never used it because our library, it was free to print, or I think it was 10 cents to print. So yeah, you don't need a printer. I actually did a clothing essentials video on the clothes you need to bring to college, so I definitely don't recommend bringing tons of clothes, and in that video I share all the clothes that you need. And don't bring tons of decorative pillows. My freshman year roommates can vouch for me. I literally on my bed had 10 different kinds of pillows and it was a hassle. Don't need that. You also don't need a steamer or like an iron. I don't know if you guys iron your clothes, but I only use my iron like once, and I promise you if you need to iron your clothes real quick, someone in your hall has one. And also you don't need to bring tons of mugs. Like literally just bring one or two. You don't need a whole mug collection. But yes, those are all the college essentials that I recommend you bring, and the other things that you don't need to bring. Make sure to comment down below where you guys are going to college in the fall. Also make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Again, comment down below other videos you want to see from me, because I'm going to be posting 4 times a week in August, and I'm going to go back to my regular schedule in September because I'm going to be a full-time student. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I will see you all on Sunday with a new video. Bye-bye.